Do you have kids that are sick a lot, or an elderly family member that needs a little extra help with their lungs? This comes in kid size and adult size. It does not come with a strap to go around it, and it does not come with batteries. You have to get your own batteries for it. This thing is so quiet, and you can use this outside. You can take this on trips with you. I'm letting my daughter use it right now, and it's just so easy and quiet. Eden, do you feel like this is easier than that big old machine we've been using?
Definitely.
Much quieter and quicker too. Okay, hold it for me. See, and look, that easy, handheld. The kid can hold it, and it's not that big of a deal. We have it linked right here for you.